there. That's a cool picture. Oh, fuck, I should get that picture. I am now driving on sand. Very cool. Sand's pretty loud. Welcome to a photography video at the White Sand Dunes National Park. Almost looks like dried biscuit batter. You hear that though? Photography on Tatooine. Even this right here, I mean. Oh, there are little ants here, that's amazing. That's what this is. This is just one big ant hill. Okay. It doesn't feel like Tatooine, it feels like Dune. I'm in a sand dune, dude. Where's Timothy Chalamet? Hi, nice to meet you, park ranger. At what point in the park will I be able to find Timothy Chalamet dressed up like his little dune guy? This is a macro mode moment. I think I'm just sand dunes getting no goddamn sandy, I'll tell you that much. The wind is doing exactly what I want it to do. I'm not bothering with this other camera setup. I'll leave it running though, because I want to get this shot. So fun. It's like a whole different park with the sun out. Really, what a cool day, because I got the overcast and then the sun. Whew. Boy. Yeah, that was amazing. Just standing there at, what, like 20, 30 minutes? Thinking the sun was coming, and it finally just came, and it was so fast, too. I was like, oh, this is taking forever to go. So it just like speaks to the scale and size of this huge, massive valley we're in. Man, oh man, that was cool. This is one of the coolest national parks, coolest things I've ever been in. Like, I think, it feels like one of the coolest. I was speechless at the end of it. I don't know if any of this was on camera. If it's not on camera and it stopped recording, I was speechless at the end. I had goosebumps. It was so cool. I've never felt that. Just shooting photos or just, and it wasn't even the camera. Like the photos wasn't an aspect of it. It was the patience, the waiting, and then nature doing its thing. That was pretty neat. Because the wind was fucking going and blowing and. Anyway. Yeah. Fucking neat, dude. I got sunburned. I got pulled over by the park ranger. I got some really good photos. Fuck yeah. I saw this yucca plant on the side of the road, hey, if you don't want people stopping in the road, put up a sign that says don't stop in the road. No complaining, because he did leave me off. He didn't get me off much. Honestly, he should have ticketed me. I want to donate $100 to this place. He's like, I could have ticketed you for not having your... Okay, I'm done. Why am I fixing on it? That was a beautiful day. Amazing. And thank you for watching.